11번 문제입니다. 대화를 듣고 여자가 읽고 있는 신문기사의 제목으로 가장 알맞은 것을 고르세요.
This is awful.
What's the matter? Are you all right, Lisa?
Oh, I'm okay. It's just this news article I'm reading.
What is it about?
According to this article, there's a factory outside town that's pumping chemicals into the river.
How long has the factory been doing that?
It says the factory has been throwing chemicals for 3 years.
How can they do that? Don't they know it's illegal?
Yes, they do, but a lot of companies ignore the law.
That's terrible. What should we do?
Well, one thing we can do about it is to talk to the management of the company.